Hey guys, it's been a while since I've done a video. This one's a really exciting video. I've been waiting all month of October to get this. And a lot of people I've been watching on YouTube have had probably the same issue I've had. It's very hard to find this phone. Um, I went to an AT&T store, which I didn't want to do. Just like if you ever watched the Digital Digest, he hates getting carrier phones. Um, and I've had a different experience. I had an experience where I had to sign up for AT&T. They didn't have the unlocked, even though on its website they had said that they had unlocked versions and locked versions, and they had one unlocked version at that location. And I had called the store, and they said they had it, and all I had to do was come pick it up because it was a first come first serve basis type of thing. And when I had got there, I had to talk to the associate, which was very nice to me. And he wasn't too sure because they just got that. I guess they just got their shipment in, and on Saturday, and he had told me the other associate there was already saying, "Nope, you have to get a AT&T plan. You can't just buy it straight out." And being that we drove about 40 minutes from my house to go there, and then 40 minutes back, I was like, I guess I will get an AT&T contract, I guess, because I really wasn't planning on doing that. And um, so, anyways, I sat down. It took almost an hour and a half because they're for some reason their computers weren't working, and I was like, and they're using tablets. So I'm like, okay, well, this is not good for you guys already as it is. And I'm sure they're probably using a different type of internet or so on and so forth. They're probably not using data. But um, all the issues I've had to go through to get this phone. I've been trying to get this phone since last Thursday, and it is now Monday, the 4th of November. And even Best Buys are hard to come by. There's only one Best Buy in my whole entire place that has one, but even them, they waiting on the phone was just out. It took like almost an hour, but I didn't get a hold of them, so I just hung up. And so that's my ordeal with getting this phone. Um, so let's get to this unboxing. So you got some papers. Just talks about how to use the phone and the case and the SIM card right there. You got your nice looking pair of wireless earbuds. I like to keep everything nice and neat. I don't want to try to ruin anything. So when I put the box away, when I put it back away later on in the future, so you got your charger right here. Then you got this. It's really nice presentation. There's your USB Type-C cord. So that's good. Put those to the side. Then you got your ear tips right here. So there's those. Put those to the side. So now that we got all this out of the way, you know how excited I am, guys. I'm like super excited. I probably haven't been this excited about something since I got the Google Glass back in the day. Yeah, put this to the side. Put the case to the side. All the paperwork to the side. Oh. Having issues here. That goes to the side. This I need to look into. Now here we go. Oh man. There it is. It's pretty amazing. They had a display unit, but it wasn't completely set up. There was no fold in it at the AT&T store. I kind of wanted to show the guy, but he's like, you know what? I'll have my opportunity to see it later. You go ahead and do your unboxing and stuff. So, as you can see, it's sensitive. All that stuff. You can't put a screen. But I did see somebody put a screen protector over it, and they had no issue. But I would not recommend it, especially if the manufacturer is telling you not to put it on a screen protector on there. As much as I love putting screen protectors on my phone, I will listen to the warranty and not have to, because I don't want to have to use my first year warranty already as it is. Wow. Had the idea of already wanting to get theirs, so I got black, which I wanted in the first place, but silver looked pretty cool too. So, alrighty, so let's take this off. I don't want to, but I have to. Okay. One side. Okay. I'm gonna try to put the case on real quick. Put that there. Sorry, guys. Okay. Put that case there. So that's what it looks like. Wow, it looks amazing. So now we flip it over. And we take that off. Wow. Like I said, I keep everything, so everything goes back where the way it was. Oh. Wow, look at that. It's got like a smudge right here, so I don't know. Let's power it on. Now, it's not the 5G version, which I was hoping. It's like, I'm seeing 5G all over the place here in the United States, and it's like, why? And even apparently AT&T supports 5G, and it's like, why couldn't they get the 5G version? Maybe they want to wait till the second iteration. Yuck. I have T-Mobile, but the only good thing about, for me, for AT&T is that when I go to like the mountains and stuff, you get good service there versus all the other stuff. So, alrighty guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know. Dislike if you don't like it. Thanks, bye.